Hey everybody, my name is Juanika Nicole and I am the Community Marketing Representative for EZBRAID and also the official braider. I want to welcome you guys to our YouTube channel. I hope you are excited to be here as I am. I cannot wait to show you guys all the things we have in store. So today I am actually here with Tabitha. She is actually the face of EZBRAID. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen her on many packages in the stores. And today we are going to be showcasing the upcoming style Passion Twist. We are actually going to be using our Bohemian wave from our new EZCROCHET line, and it's really easy. If I can do it, I'm pretty sure you can do it. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so the first thing we want to do to get started is, of course, prep the hair. What I'm going to take is a little bit of coconut oil, and I'm going to rub it throughout her hair, get it on her scalp. And this is to prevent any dryness, prevent any breakage that could possibly take place. Just offer her hair a little bit more protection. We're going to go ahead and comb that through. All right, so next thing we want to do is section the hair off. The size of the twists that I'm going to do today are going to be a medium size. So you want to get your comb and go ahead and make you a section in the back. You just want to make sure your part is straight. So just to explain exactly what a passion twist is, it's similar to the popular Havana twist or Marley twist, except with the passion twist, it calls for a different wave of hair. They don't look as neat and structured. What gives it its name is the messiness of it. A lot of girls like the messiness of the twist because it looks more natural. So today I'm going to be using Shine & Jam by Ampro. This is actually one of my favorite products to braid with. It controls the frizzes, especially when you're using or doing twists. You're able to get the hair locked into the twist so that way it's not sticking out as much. So you want to use this also along your parts. It helps you to create a cleaner part and keeps the hair laid down in the direction that you need. And also, once you do put the jam on the part, if you want to go back just to make your actual parting a little bit more cleaner, you can do that as well. So now what we're going to do is section the hair off into smaller sections so that we can begin twisting. You want to go ahead and apply the Shine & Jam around the edges of the twist. This is what will keep the twist in place so that way it's not slipping out. Next thing we're going to do is split that section into two separate sections. Okay, so we're going to be using the Bohemian wave from our EZCROCHET line, and you guys are going to love this hair. Now normally when you're working with passion twist, of course, you have to separate the hair. With the Bohemian wave, you do not have to separate the hair, but I know some people do like to fluff. So if you are going to fluff, I do want to show you that you can take the strands and you can separate with no tangling. You don't have to worry about pulling from opposite ends just to make it fluff. Just pull it right apart and it'll be perfect for you. But for our twist today, I'm actually going to use 3 strands of the Bohemian wave. And what I actually like to do is pull one of the strands a little bit longer than the rest, so that way the ends can be curly and also create that passion effect. Next, you're going to take the Bohemian wave hair and you're going to twist it onto each section like so. You're going to grab it and just twist it together to the right. Make sure you go down at least an inch, and then you want to grab the other side and twist it to the right the same way. So once you have your 2 sides twisted like this, you want to go ahead and just wrap the opposite way, which is to the left, and just create a twist. And make sure while you're twisting, you do pull it to tighten it up, because when you get to the end, the passion twist will unravel, but that's what gives it its look, so that's okay. We're gonna add in a little product to make sure that her natural hair does not stick out through the twist. And we're just gonna keep on twisting all the way down. Now, while I'm twisting, I also like to twist while I'm twisting, if that makes sense. And pretty much that just means as you're going down, you wanna take the hair and kind of twist it before you actually overlap. This just creates a tighter twist. You want to keep on going. Now, as you get to the end, you want to take your 2 strands and you want to actually pull from one of the strands just to create a secure lock in the twist. And you want to keep going down. Take a little from this side, keep twisting. Now, when you get to the end, this is where you can take the hair and just kind of twist it like this, so that way the original curl pattern shows through and it kind of finishes off the twist like that. And when you let it go, you can see that it kind of unravels just a little bit, but not too much. But this is how you create the desired look of the passion twist. And from here, all you need to do is just keep repeating the same steps until you've completed the whole head. Just make sure that your parts are very clear. Make sure that you're paying attention to the amount of space that you have, and just keep on going. All right, you guys, so here we have the passion twist. Overall, it is such an easy style to complete. We ended up using only 8 bags of our Bohemian wave hair. It's super lightweight. Even Tabitha says that it's not heavy on her hair. The ends are pre-stretched, so it definitely made it less bulky. Sometimes you do deal with bulk. The Bohemian wave hair itself made the process a lot more easier because of the fact when you stretch it, it doesn't tangle. I had no problems twisting all the way down. Everything was just perfect about this hair. Even before we applied the mousse, it had its own shine. It just overall looks great. It made the whole process easy. All right, you guys, so you just see me recreate the passion twist. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you stay tuned. We will have more tutorials over more of the hottest trending styles, and also, of course, some of my own styles. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe down below, and stay tuned as we deliver more videos to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day.